All right, guys, today I want to come on here and do a quick unboxing review on my new misting camping fan. I do want to say thank you to the company for sending it out for review, so let's go and take a look at it. Man, these are cool. It's got a remote, some of the accessories. The actual fan itself. It's got some buttons right there, as well as the water tank for it right here. So very cool, very simple to set up. What I do like is that you could actually hang this, upside down if you needed to. Obviously, you wouldn't do it with that, but it does have this clip right here. So if you just needed to use it as a fan, you could do so. And then it is portable, so we can actually just turn it on right from here without actually needing any power. It does have a flashlight around it. Check that out. Very cool. And let's go ahead and actually turn on the fan just so we can see it. That's pretty good. I like it. Now that it's getting a little warm, this is going to come in handy. As you can see, the sun's out pretty bright, but we can hook it up to some water, get a little mist going, and then we'll just take a look at the accessories real quick. Like I said, it does come with the remote to control it, which I thought was a really cool feature. This is to set it up to the water, I believe, and then a Type-C charger to hook it up, as well as a user manual. So let's go and actually try it out. All right, so it's going to actually fill it up. The fan holds up to 6 liters of water, so you don't have to constantly refill it. Once it's full, you just power it on and choose your misting mode, either 2-hole or 4-hole spray. The 2-hole mode runs up to 18 hours, while the 4-hole mode gives you about 9 hours of higher coverage. The mist is super fine, and when it combines with the airflow, it creates this cooling zone that feels amazing, especially when you're lying down or relaxing outside. Right now, I've got both the mist and the fan running at the same time, and honestly, it feels like a small portable AC. It's powered by a 20,000 milliamp hour built-in battery that'll give you about 56 hours of fan time depending on how you use it. It also charges fully in about 8 hours, and if needed, it can double as a power bank to charge your phone or other small devices. One thing I really like is the stepless speed control. Instead of just low, medium, or high, you can turn the knob and fine-tune the wind to exactly how you want it. It also comes with a timer with settings for 1, 2, 4, and 8 hours, which is perfect for setting it and forgetting it while you chill or sleep. Now let's talk about the lighting. It has 4 built-in LEDs, as I showed you earlier, with 3 lighting modes: warm white, cool white, and soft ambient. Great for eating setups when you don't want harsh light but still want visibility. It'll stay lit for up to 22 hours on a full charge. And even with all the features, it's still light enough to carry and move around without any hassle. All right, so let's actually go ahead and try out the remote now. So as you can see, a little bit of a distance from there. We can actually turn off the lights from here as well, just like that. Very cool. Now let's actually turn on the AC. There it goes. So you can put up the fan or turn it down a bit. We're gonna put it at the max, and then let's go ahead and turn on the mist. There it goes. As you can see, the mist is on and it's all working from the remote. So very cool. And I also have, like, as you can see, the iPad plugged into there as well. So plug in your devices, have it ready to go. All right, guys, so there you guys have it. If you guys found this video useful, make sure you guys like and subscribe. It definitely helps out the channel. But as you can see, if you guys are camping, or maybe like it's gonna be like a hot work day and you guys work outside or anything like that, make sure you guys look into this misting fan. I'm gonna leave that link down below so you guys can get yours in the description. Highly recommend.